Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify underwriting requirements with Rocket Mortgage, full guide step by step clearly. To verify underwriting requirements with Rocket Mortgage, begin by visiting the Rocket Mortgage website. Create or log into your Rocket Mortgage account. Navigate to the loan options section within your dashboard. Select the type of loan you are interested in. Once you've chosen your loan, click on the Get Started button. Fill out the necessary personal information, including your name, address, and income details. After submitting your information, you'll be prompted to provide documentation for your financial status. Prepare to upload required documents such as W-2s, pay stubs, and bank statements. Ensure your documents are clear and organized to expedite the review process. After submitting your documents, the underwriting team will review them for completeness and accuracy. You'll receive notifications about any missing documents or additional information needed. Once your documents are verified, you will receive a conditional approval notification. Review the conditions outlined in the approval carefully. To satisfy underwriting requirements, ensure you address any conditions listed. Gather any additional documents requested by the underwriting team. Upload these documents through your Rocket Mortgage account. Monitor your account for updates and communication from your loan officer. Communicate with your loan officer if you have any questions or need clarification. After all conditions are met and verified, await your final approval. Once final approval is granted, you can proceed to closing on your loan. This completes the process of verifying underwriting requirements with Rocket Mortgage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.